Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag refrigerator ice container assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new ice container assembly. The ice container assembly is where the ice collects and is dispensed through the dispenser. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and it's not dispensing the ice, or it's rusty and it's staining the ice. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the ice container assembly. It's up here in the left corner. We're just going to press on the release lever and pull it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the fridge. Here's the old ice container assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. They do put a protective film on here, so we're going to peel that off before we put it in. Once you have it off, you can put it into the fridge. To put the new one in, you just have to line up the rails and lift it in position and then push it back in. Once you have it locked in, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.